Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to create and mint an NFT on the Solana blockchain using the Metaplex SDK. Let's dive into the code. First, we import the necessary libraries including Metaplex, web3.js, and BS58 for handling our wallet keys. Next, we set up our Solana wallet using a base58 encoded private key. This key is decoded and used to generate a wallet that will sign our transactions. Now, we establish a connection to the Solana DevNet, a test network where we can mint NFTs without spending real SOL. Then, we initialize Metaplex, a powerful tool for handling NFTs on Solana. We set it up with our wallet to authenticate transactions. After that, we define the mint NFT function. Here, we provide the metadata URI, which links to our NFT's details stored on Arweave, the NFT name and symbol, a royalty fee of 5%, meaning the original creator will receive a percentage from future sales. We also allow the metadata to be updated and limit the supply to just one copy. Now let's talk about the metadata file for our NFT. The metadata.json file contains all the important details about our NFT. First, we define the NFT's name, symbol, and description, which help users understand what this NFT represents. Next, we provide the image URL, where the NFT artwork is stored. This image is hosted on a decentralized storage system like Arweave or IPFS to ensure that it remains accessible forever. Then, we have the attributes section, which adds extra traits to our NFT. Here, we've set a background trait with a value of blue. Traits are useful when creating NFT collections, making each token unique. Finally, we define the creator's and royalty share. The creator's wallet address is listed, along with the percentage of royalties they receive from secondary sales. In this case, the creator receives 100% of the royalties. When this metadata file is uploaded and linked to our NFT, it allows NFT marketplaces to display the correct details, including the name, image, attributes, and royalties. Now we will run the script using node nft.js command, and then we'll wait for the output. Okay guys, now our NFT is created successfully. Here's our NFT details such as NFT address. Now we will see our NFT in SolScan. Here's our NFT details, which you can see. So guys, in this video we had learned how to create and mint NFT using Metaplex. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more updates.